Hello students, good morning to all. In that video we are discuss about the reactions of haloarenes. Before that we are discussing the reactions with haloalkanes, how the alkanes react with another reagent to give different products. In that video, that is the haloarenes, which contains a benzene ring. The first reaction, that is a reaction with metals. A reaction with metals. In a previous video we have discussed about the reaction with metals with haloalkanes, that is Wurtz reaction. When the sodium metal reacts with two alkyl halides, we get a product greater the number of carbon than the reactant, that is the alkanes. Same, there is Wurtz-Fittig reaction. In that reaction there is the reaction with metals, the reaction Wurtz-Fittig reaction, the reaction of aryl halide with alkyl halide and sodium metal in dry ether give substituted aromatic compounds. In a previous video we are discussing about the reaction from starting from here, that is methyl chloride plus 2Na, we get a ethane, that is when that methyl bromide react with sodium metal, we get a product which contains the greater or double the number of carbon atom, that is there is carbon only one and we get the carbon in product 2. But in the Wurtz-Fittig reaction there is one is an haloarenes and another molecule is alkyl halide. In the previous video there is two molecules are alkyl halides, but the two molecules or two halogen derivatives are different here. One is haloarenes and one is alkyl halides. When these two react with sodium metal, we get the substituted aromatic ring, that is that bromine. The both bromine are combined with that sodium atom, we get a byproduct NaBr. By removing these two group, the methyl group is directly attached to benzene ring and we get a product known as toluene, that is the toluene in a dry ether. That reaction is proceed in presence of dry ether. It is same to Wurtz reaction as like Wurtz reaction, but there is one is alkyl halide and another one is haloarenes. So it is known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. In that reaction there is the further Fittig reaction, in which there is two haloarenes react with sodium, we get a biphenyl. See here, only aryl halides react with sodium metal give biphenyl. There is only aryl halide, that is chlorobenzene. Aryl means aromatic, halide means chlorine. There is chlorobenzene. When react with sodium metal, we get a biphenyl with byproduct 2NaCl. That sodium atom remove the two chlorine groups of that benzene ring, and these two benzene rings are attached to each other, we get a biphenyl. There is twice 2 chlorobenzene. When react with two atoms of sodium in presence of dry ether, we get biphenyl plus 2NaCl. It is a simple one, that sodium atom combined with that chlorine, that is removal of that chlorine, and the two benzene ring attached to each other, we get a biphenyl. The next reaction, that is nucleophilic substitution of haloarenes. Before it we are discuss about the nucleophilic substitution of haloalkanes or alkyl halides. But in haloarenes the nucleophilic substitution reaction is difficult, because in a benzene ring, see here only benzene ring, consider the benzene ring here, there is a alternate double bond in that benzene ring. That double bond is not stable at that position, it is displaced or it is moved from that position to next position, and that bond is to next, and the second one is next. That means it is known as a resonating structure, because the bond is not a perfect at the same position, it is continuously changed or displaced. That because of that, the nucleophilic substitution does not occur easily in the haloarenes, and then therefore there is a alternate double bond. The all carbon contains 3 covalent bonds. See here, there is one carbon atom, here is double bond, there is single bond, and there is one hydrogen atom bond, because there is hydrogen atom here. The carbon hydrogen one sigma bond, that carbon and the next carbon have a sigma bond, that is 2, and there is also a carbon and carbon, the carbon carbon 2 sigma bonds, and the carbon hydrogen 1 sigma bond, and there is a 1 pi bond. That means only 3 sigma bonds, so it have a sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and in sp2 hybridized carbon atom the nucleophilic substitution is difficult. Nucleophilic substitution means removal of or substitution of negatively charged atoms. Substitution of negatively charged atoms, that is nucleophilic substitution reaction. See here, aryl halides show low reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reaction due to resonating effect and sp2 hybridized state of carbon. sp2 hybridized because the all carbon contains only 3 sigma bonds. You can count it, there is only 3 sigma bonds in all aromatic ring or benzene ring. In presence of electron withdrawing group at ortho and para position greatly increases the reactivity of halogens towards the substitution of halogen atom. If there is a electron withdrawing group with that haloarenes, the nucleophilic substitution reaction is takes place. More the electron withdrawing group, the reaction is greater, or the reactivity of that haloarene is greater. How many electron withdrawing group are present here? If there is only one withdrawing group, the reactivity is possible as that. If there is 2, the reactivity of that haloarene is greater than it or than 1. If there is 3 withdrawing group, the reactivity of that haloarene is greater than the 2 or first or example. See here, in presence of electron withdrawing group at ortho and para position greatly increase the reactivity of haloarenes towards the substitution of halogen atom. Example first, that is para nitrochlorobenzene, because it is the position from chlorine to nitrogen, that is the para position, it is known as para, it is ortho, and that one is meta. The name of that compound is para nitrochlorobenzene. When para nitrochlorobenzene react with sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, at 433 Kelvin in presence of H3O, we get the substitution of chlorine by that OH atom, and we get para nitrophenol, the substitution of chlorine by OH. As like that reaction is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. When it is possible, when the at least one electron withdrawing group must be present in the haloarene, then the reactivity or the displacement or the replacement of that halogen atom by a hydroxyl group is possible. Next one, in the next example, there is 2 withdrawing group, NO2 group are there is 2 at ortho position and para position. The reactivity of that haloarene is greater than the example first, that is para nitrochlorobenzene. The reactivity of 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene is greater than the para nitrochlorobenzene, because there is 2 electron withdrawing group. See here, the temperature of that reaction, that is 433 Kelvin. That reaction takes place or proceed in at the temperature 433 Kelvin. But see here, there is it is proceed at the temperature 403 Kelvin. That means the reactivity of that haloarine is greater than the first one. When 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene react with sodium carbonate, sodium hydroxide, we get 2,4-dinitrophenol. There is the replacement of that chlorine atom by the hydroxyl group. We get 2,4-dinitrophenol, because when the benzene ring is directly attached to a hydroxyl group, then it is known as phenol. If there is a nitrogen group, then it is nitrophenol. There is two nitrogen groups at the second position and fourth position, so it is 2,4-dinitrophenol. The third one example, that it contains 3 electron withdrawing group or 3 nitro group. That means the reactivity of that compound is greater. That haloarine is more reactive than the para-nitrochlorobenzene or 2,4-dinitro-chlorobenzene. See here, only warm in H2O. When that haloarine is warm in H2O, in presence of H2O, we get a product that is 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. The position of the nitro groups, that is 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. And the name of that compound is 2,4,6-trinitro-chlorobenzene. See here, the reactivity of the third example is greater than the first example. Remind it, that is the reactivity of haloarines in nucleophilic substitution reaction is totally depends upon the number of electron withdrawing group present in that haloarines. The next one, that is electrophilic substitution reactions, electrophilic substitution of haloarines. Before it, we will discuss about the nucleophilic, then after C, nucleophilic substitution reaction. In that reaction, the first reaction is halogenation, that means addition of halogen. When haloarines react with halogen in presence of ferric salt, that is ferric chloride, it is work as a Lewis acid. As a catalyst, give mixture of ortho and para substitution product. See here the example, that is chlorobenzene. When react with halogen, we get the reaction is known as halogenation reaction, because there is the addition of halogen atom. In presence of ferric chloride, we get the product, two type of product. In all electrophilic substitution reaction, we get two products, that is ortho and para positions product. That is 1,4-dichlorobenzene. It is a major product. That means the product is the major product is 1,4-dichlorobenzene, and the minor product is, that is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. There is para position, it is at the ortho position, and the byproduct is HCl. When that chlorine is react with that chlorobenzene, the hydrogen atom of that benzene ring is replaced by that chlorine atom. Hydrogen atom is a positively charged, so it is called as electrophilic substitution reaction. If the replacement of that negatively charged atom, then these reactions are known as nucleophilic reactions. But there is the substitution of hydrogen atom by a chlorine. See here, there is one hydrogen atom is replaced by that chlorine atom. There is one hydrogen atom is replaced by that chlorine atom. That hydrogen atom and the chlorine remains in that solution. We get a byproduct, that is HCl. Same nitration, that is the nitration. Haloarines heating with concentrate nitric acid in presence of concentrate H2SO4. The mixture of nitric acid concentrate and concentrate H2SO4 is known as nitrating mixture. We are already discussed about it. Haloarenes heating with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated H2SO4 gives ortho and para nitrobenzenes. See here the example. There is a chlorobenzene. When react with that nitrating mixture or HNO3 in presence of H2SO4, on heating, there is heat must be compulsory. On heating, we get the substitution of that nitro group, NO2 group, in place of that hydrogen atom. See here, and we get 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene. 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, and the para position substitution, that is that nitro group is replaced at the place of that hydrogen atom, and we get 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene, because the position of that nitrogen is 2 and the position of that nitrogen is 4. 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, that is 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene. Next, that is sulfonation. When haloarenes heating with fuming H2SO4, fuming means cloudy vapors, in Marathi that is dhuk. Fuming H2SO4, that is vapored or cloudy H2SO4, gives mixture of ortho and para substitution products. For example, that is a chlorobenzene. When that H2SO4 react with that chlorobenzene, on heating we get as like that product, that is 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. In the H2SO4, the SO3H, that group is substituted in place of that hydrogen atom, and the remaining part or the remaining atoms, see here there is 4 oxygen atoms. In the product there is 3 oxygen atoms, that means 1 oxygen is remains. There is only 1 hydrogen atom, there is 2 hydrogen atoms, that means there is also 1 hydrogen atom is remains. That 1 hydrogen atom, the remaining that 1 oxygen atom, and replaced or substituted 1 hydrogen atom of that benzene ring gives a byproduct, that is H2O, and we get the product, that is 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. There is also the 2 products possible in that reaction, that is ortho position and para position. If it is ortho position, the name of that product is 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. If it is para position, the name of that compound is 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. And the last one reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is the name of scientist of the which gives the reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Haloarenes treating with alkyl halides or acyl chlorides in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives mixture of ortho and para substitution products. That reaction is discovered by that Friedel-Crafts scientist. See here the example. When chlorobenzene react with alkyl halides, when chlorobenzene react with alkyl halides in presence of AlCl3, anhydrous aluminum chloride, we get 1-chlorotoluene. That means the substitution of that methyl group in place of that hydrogen atom, we get a 1-chlorotoluene. Also it is substituted at the para position, we get 4-chlorotoluene. CH3 directly attached with the benzene ring, then the name of that compound is known as toluene. It is a parent compound, it is considered as parent compound, and the position is considered to be the chlorine atom, that is 4-chlorotoluene. The next, that is second example, chlorobenzene react with acyl halides or acyl chlorides. In that reaction, in presence of aluminum chloride, we get the product, that is 1-chloroacetophenone. 1-chloroacetophenone, it is like a ketone. ONE means ketone, phenone, ketone, as like that. In that reaction, the substitution of that hydrogen atom by a acyl group, that is CH3CO. CH3CO group is replaced in place of that hydrogen atom, and the hydrogen atom removed or replaced is combined with that chlorine. We get the byproduct HCl. See here, the replacement of that CH3CO group in a para position, then it is known as 1-chloroacetophenone. If that CH3CO group is replaced at the para position, the name of that compound is 4-chloroacetophenone. In that way, the all reaction of that chapters are completed. In the next video, we are discuss about the uses or environmental effects of that halogen